This is the Galaxy S21 Ultra 5G camera phone, and it has the highest resolution camera on a phone on the market right now. And go the extra distance. It has such great zoom and also an all-day battery life. And the storage is amazing as well. And check it out. Look at all these camera settings that you have. You have 33 megapixels straight from your high resolution 8K video. And it also has 108 megapixel high resolution camera for still shots. It comes out crystal clear. And your connections are ultra fast. And you even have 100 times space zoom. How cool is that? And it also has 8K video. Very smooth and cinematic film. And you also have multiple ways of recording too. And it also has high resolution, 100 times zoom, and it also has a dual lens combo of 3 times and 10 times optical zoom. And it also has all day battery life. How cool is that? And you'll also experience the power of 5G. Definitely recommend this product and hope you found this video helpful.